Next up, we got my buddy Noel here from Down Under. ITG in the game used. Good luck, man. Personal rip before we get to the group break. Coming up shortly. Oh, I do have those Garbage Pail Kid Sapphires you guys were requesting too. I've got 5 boxes of it. Garbage Pail Kid Sapphire is in the building. Alright, we will start off with the Dream versus the Admiral. Moniker matchups to 35. Got Akeem Olajuwon and David Robinson. This is a really nice looking triple patch. Numbered 1 of 2. Allen Iverson. 1 of 2, Allen Iverson. The answer, baby. I believe they're 335 on the website. I'll double check for you. I think that's what it was, though. All right, Jumbo Patch. Numbered 1 of 4. This is a name I haven't heard in a long time. Troy Gloss. Troy Gloss. Anaheim Angels. That's probably the Angels logo patch there, too. All right, we got some Kobe. Kobe in the house. This one is numbered 4 of 12. With Allen Iverson, Steve Nash, Ray Allen, Peja Stojakovic, and Stephon Marbury. Basketball Redraft, 1996. And, oh, sweet piece right here. Jersey Autograph, numbered 5 of 5. Once in a generation. Pele. Nice, buddy. Great hit right there, bud. Nice, Pele. 5 of 5. All right, Noel. Appreciate it as always, my friend. I will get all this stuff packed up and shipped out. ASAP.